Hi Year 1 and welcome to our last maths meeting of the week. You've been doing really well and this is our last one, so remember you need something to write with and something to write on, and then you can join in with us as we are going along. So if you don't have those things, please pause the video, go and get them and then come back to join us. The first thing we're looking at today is the Months of the Year song. We know the song really well, so you can join in with me as I'm singing, and then you can pause the video and you can sing the song to yourselves. Let's go. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. 12 months. How many months are there in a year? That's right, there's 12. This song is really good for helping us to remember which order the months of the year come in. Pause the video now and you can sing the song to yourself. Great singing. We can use that song now to help us to answer these questions. The first question says, what month comes after December? Remember, there are 12 months in a year, and when those 12 months end, we go back to the start again. So have a think, what month comes after December? It's January. Well done. January is the first month of the year, and it comes after December. The next question is, what month comes before July? So we're looking at the month that comes before July. Pause the video and write down your answer. That's right, it's June. June comes before July. And the last question is, what month comes in between September and November? So we're looking at the month that comes in between those other two months. Pause the video and write down what you think the month is. That's right, it's October. It goes September, October, November. Great work. Pause the video and you can check your answers with the ones on the screen now. Okay, so now we've got our number bonds to 10 rap. I'm going to say the rap and then you can pause the video and you can say the rap to yourselves. 9 and 1 we've just begun. 8 and 2 I need the loo. 7 and 3 climb the tree. 6 and 4 tap the floor. 5 and 5 we stay alive. 10 and 0 number bond hero. This is a really good rap to help us remember the number bonds to 10. Remember, these are numbers that add together to make 10. So what do you add to 8 to make 10? That's right, it's 2. And what do you add to 2 to make 10? It's 8. You can flip the numbers around. Pause the video now and you can say this rap to yourselves. Great work. Now we can use that to help us with what Noah knows. Noah has got a part whole model. The whole is 17, the parts are 9 and 8. We can use this to help us work out what the missing numbers are in the number sentences. The first one says 8 plus something equals 17. What should that missing number be? Pause the video and write down what you think the number should be. It's 9, well done. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Now the next one is 9 plus something equals 17. You can use the calculation we've just done to help you work out that missing number. Pause the video now and write down what you think the number is. It's 8. So 8 plus 9 equals 17 and 9 plus 8 equals 17. Now we are on to subtractions. The first one says 17 subtract 9 equals something. If you're not sure, you can use the part whole model to help you work out this missing number. Pause the video and write down your answer. It's 8. 17 subtract 9 equals 8. And the last one is 17 subtract something equals 9. What could the answer be? That's right, it's 8. 17 subtract 9 equals 8 and 17 subtract 8 equals 9. Pause the video and say these number sentences to yourself. Now we are on to something that looks very similar to what we've just done. We have the same part whole model with the same numbers. 17 as our whole and 9 and 8 as our parts. This time, however, the answers come at the start of the number sentence. So the first one says 17 equals something, add 8. So you're looking for something that you add to 8 to make 17. What could the answer be? That's right, it's 9. 17 equals 9 plus 8. and 9 plus 8 equals 17. It doesn't matter which way round the answer goes, it can be at the start or at the end. It's still the same. The next one is 17 equals something add 9. You can use the calculation we've just done to help you answer this. That's right, it's 8. If 17 equals 9 plus 8, then 17 must equal 8 plus 9. You can move and swap the numbers around. The next one is 9 equals 17, subtract something. So you're looking at what you need to subtract from 17 that will give you the answer of 9. Have a think, pause the video and write your answer down. The answer is 8. 9 equals 17 subtract 8. Or you could say 17 subtract 8 equals 9. And the last one, 8 equals something, subtract 9. You can use the calculation we've just done to help you to answer this. The answer is 17. 8 equals 17 subtract 9. Great work. Pause the video and say these number sentences to yourself. Now we are on to Shia's shapes. Shia has got her 3D shapes. Remember to look at them carefully now so that you know what they look like, how many faces they have and what the faces look like, and what their names are. So Shia says that she is thinking of a 3D shape with 4 triangular faces. What shape is she thinking of? It's a shape that has got 4 triangular faces. I wonder what shape that could be. Have a think now. We can look at these shapes here and help us to work out what the answer is. So it's got 4 triangular faces. We need to have a look and see which shape has got 4 triangular faces. That's right, it's a triangular-based pyramid. A triangular-based pyramid has got a triangular face on the bottom as its base and 3 triangular faces around the base. Well done for getting that correct. So now we can look at our deans. Remember, the deans are representing a number and we've got to work out what that number is. The rectangular deans represent the number 10 and the square deans represent the number 1. What number is this one representing, the first one? What is it representing? Pause the video and write down what you think the answer is. It's 35, well done. There are 3 10s and 5 1s. Now we're going to look at the one below it. What number are the deans representing? Pause the video and write down your answer. It's 52. There are 5 10s and 2 1s. Now we need to look at the one that is next to 35. What number are these deans representing? Remember to count the deans carefully and the 1s. It's 44. Fantastic. There are 4 10s and 4 1s. And now we need to look at the last one and figure out what that number is. What number are the deans representing? Pause the video and write down your answer. It's 16. There is 1 10 and 6 1s. Great work. Pause the video and check your answers. Now we are on to Patty's place value. And Patty wants us to put these numbers in descending order again. Remember from the last lessons what descending means? It means that our numbers are going to get smaller. We're going to start with the greatest number, and then we're going to be getting smaller until our last number is the smallest number that we have. So for today's lesson, we've got the numbers 25, 29, 30, and 18. So we want to have a look and find the greatest number out of those 4. Pause the video and write down what you think the greatest number is. That's right, it's 30. 30 is the greatest number because it's got 3 10s, which is greater than the 2 10s in 29 and 25, and it's greater than the 1 10 in 18. What number is going to come next? It's 29. 29 has got 2 10s, like 25. However, it's got 9 1s, which is greater than the 5 1s that are in 25. What will the next number be? It's 25. Well done. 25 has got 2 10s, which is greater than the 1 10 in 18. So our numbers are 30, 29, 25. They are getting smaller. That means they are descending. What's our last number going to be? It's 18. Great work. 18 is the smallest number. It's got one 10, which is smaller than the other numbers. Let's say our numbers together. 30, 29, 25, 18. Pause the video and say those numbers to yourselves now. Great work, Year 1. Well done for today's lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. And remember, if you found anything that was a bit tricky, feel free to go back over the video and go through the lesson again. Thank you.